love it when I turn off the bass.
Yeah.
You 2D person, blah, blah,
Why am
blah.
I always the one cleaning up these messes?
Play increase stuff for level
Tell you
3.
what.
Max average.
Goddamn kids.
Yep. Yep. That's what I used to play. But then I got put on the scout. Scouts make Bubba a whole lot quicker. Now you can still get the 1-2 tapper.
Yeah.
But look at Anna right here. She don't think I see her. Look at that. Look at that. There's too many hits. That's too many hits. Anna should be dead. Anna should be dead right now.
Alright, she got that ability, my boy.
That's too many hits. Anna should be dead.
I can't think straight with all this craziness going on.
Got Julie, I think, right here. No, Anna.
I got you now.
Got another one by underneath Grandpa. You got this bad barrier again.
You're only making it harder on yourselves. Stop running. I know you around here somewhere.
Anna should have been dead.
Can't focus.
I ain't even see it right there. That's the crazy part. I ain't even know she was right there. I was trying to break the door.
I ain't liking which way this is headed. They gotta
Anna's
be
right
around
here.
someplace. There you are. Found ya.
Yo, Pump is Leatherface's lair.
Alright.
Anna might come up and try to get Valve right next to Slaughterhouse.
Nah, she chilling.
That's
She
it.
running from me.
Tastes good, don't it?
One's in a trap at holding pen.
Yo, they open a door underneath Grandpa.
Sorry, I'm about to close it right now. They just opened up wait, Leland's just sitting there. What the fuck is he doing?
They just opened up Slaughter and they have Bomb Squad. They didn't go to my trap there.
I don't like when he gets stuck like that. That shit is annoying as fuck.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Like whenever I try to turn around quick.
Leland's by tool storage.
Sonny's dead. Like every trying to turn around quick and he just freeze in place type shit.
Anna's up top. Anna's up top by
Connie,
Grandpa.
chasing Connie.
What's coming?
Connie's welling.
Leland just came up here as well.
Where at?
He's back up
Grandpa?
by Grandpa going towards like Fuse.
I peep, I peep.
See what you made me go and do?
Here, I'm going down. Wait, what the fuck?
I don't know how I just did that. It was cool though.
Cause you like, what the fuck is that? What the hell you got going on?
Did he go down?
He did now.
I
I want him to hit. Oh yeah, he's in cap.
All my
I'll just
locks
quickly
are
execute
good.
him.
Fixing to find the other, that's for sure. Here you go.
We need you to break that bubble barrier up there.
Here you
Yeah,
Yeah.
one's going near. One's near sliding. If you just got that kill, just come up feed Grandpa.
It's too foggy.
Yeah, and I got 1200.
Anna just got.
Always first. Yeah, it usually it varies between it varies between Sonny and Julie for me. Whichever one dies first.
Sliding just open.
Yo, so the sliding door was already open, but your trap was still here.
Oh, okay.
So I doubt anybody over
Fresh
here.
as it gets.
Yeah.
Drink
Yeah, I'm
up
coming back.
now.
Okay, cool.
Julie got 1100.
My lock, right side slaughter. My lock is done.
Yeah, this part was definitely Connie then.
There it goes. It just opened again. She just got through.
I'm too
Connie's
dang
doing
Left
it.
side slaughter.
Yep. Connie's right here. She's just in here.
Yeah, here.
She's right next to me.
Yep.
Yeah.
Dead.
Got her.
That's a GG, Connie. Honestly, I have no idea what Julie Power does. I never played her, I think. It makes her have kind of like infinite stam. She can run for longer.
Anna's got a lot of points. No, she's down in the basement.
Alright. Could have been doing Bow.
She's doing it
Got
now.
pressure.
She's doing it
Yeah.
now. Gotta get down there.
Alright. Yep.
I'm gonna turn it off.
She's going up. I'm turning it off. She's going towards slaughterhouse. Slaughterhouse.
She'll be snared in my trap.
And she is like,
She has a bone scrap though. She has a bone scrap.
that Bob again?
No, I turned it off. She left. She DC'd.
Oh, GG. Hey, yeah.
They stabbed Grandpa and I still had that motherfucker at level 3. You just get a level 3?
I told
Nah,
that
not
boy
yet.
not to bring those girls around here. Look at the dang mess he's
Fuse
stirred
box
up.
is in the storage. Oh, there's not one here.
AoE.
Shut your ass
That's
up,
what they need to
Grandpa.
fix right there.
That's it.
Whenever I'm in an animation
Tastes
and they come and
good,
stab
don't
me,
it?
that's what they need to fix, 100%.
Alright, we got security, nobody escaped, so...
I'm gonna latch one of the doors upstairs. It's the one in upper storage.
Yeah, it's already latched.
Alright, it's already latched. Awesome.
Take this now. It'll perk you right up.
It was Grandpa level 2.
Yeah, they already got his lair open.
just the cook. We're the ones.
No, they got his lair just opened
Yeah,
up.
Connie just came up.
Go ahead and shut it.
Going to do a little bit of chasing down here.
They just opened up the back garden.
They just opened up. Connie's headed straight up. 2 people headed straight up Leatherface lair. They got back.
Window.
Yo, Connie is right behind me.
You're good. Oh, you slammed me.
I snared her. She snared outside. Oh, she got out.
We don't have a trap at the bottom of the steps? No shot.
You come out.
I have one on the window.
I might be saving you for Grandpa.
Oh.
I'm not a violent man.
Where did she go? Where did she go? Oh, I said I'm chasing her.
He's going back.
See what you made me go and do?
This motherfucker gets stuck every time I try to turn all the way around.
Yeah, these trap placements are not it.
Let you chase her.
She well.
I can't hear nothing. There you are. I hear him. Over there.
I'm pretty sure they're probably just doing fuse upstairs because it's not blocked off.
I'm gonna check it.
You gotta destroy this little thing right here when you
Yeah.
come up. The crawl space.
I kept his,
Destroy the crawl space over here.
yeah, there's I see Connie. Or yeah.
All my locks are good.
Where would you put the trap upstairs then?
Right at the top of the steps. Like right at the top.
They get loose high
And then the
sure
other
what's gonna
trap
happen.
that's at back door, you gotta put that at the bottom of the front steps.
Yep, Connie's in here. You just ran right past her.
One's at top of Leatherface's lair steps. It's Julie. There you go. Anna, she's going. Stab Grandpa.
From me. What's coming?
Did she jump out the window? No.
No.
Where would you put the side garden one?
At the. Ooh, I'm fighting Julie right here. At the bottom of the front steps. Running right to. Ooh, and she door slammed you.
Did I hit that or no?
Fresh as it gets. Drink up now.
See,
She
and
hit me too.
that's why this build's good, bro. They just stabbed Grandpa and I got him right back up to level 2 again.
Lord mercy. I'm getting fed up as all get out. Found you.
We don't have any of these motherfuckers dead yet.
Bottom of the main stairs? You mean like right next to?
Back door is done. Back door is done. Back door is done, I think. But no, right here. Bottom of these steps, the front steps. The front of the house.
I gotta do everything
Right in the
this
center of
family.
them.
Yeah, they got back gate open. Heavy.
You gotta find them quick.
Yeah, Connie out here. She's at Jen.
Damn kids.
Here, I'll mark her for you.
Where'd they go?
I was just gonna
Stay
mark the
inside the
generator.
house.
She's not moving, I guess. Alright, there goes Anna.
I'm chasing
Is
Sunny
she
right
looping
now.
you over there?
I don't know where she is.
You seen her over here though?
Yeah, she's
Sunny's
looking
not
like
moving.
Window. Come on, let's get this guy. Window.
He's gonna be snared in a sec. Oh, he's dead.
That is useless as all
Your trap's too far up. Julie's coming out front door.
I'm gonna take this stick upside that skull if you keep missing.
Julie's coming out front.
I'm fixing to find you, that's for sure.
I got
Just kill
Connie
her,
back here.
kill her.
This blade gets good.
You got Connie, right?
Yeah, she better well.
Alright, so we're just missing.
You think, Cap?
We're missing Anna. I got one. She's upstairs. Anna's upstairs. She's just grabbed fuse.
Everybody shut the heck up.
How did I not hit,
Enough
bro?
with all this dang racket.
Y'all hoeing me.
Yep, there goes bottom front steps. There goes. She's going towards down the basement.
Where?
Your top of your steps trap is done. You gotta come redo it. I'm gonna start shutting all these basement doors.
Connie just went out the back garden, back porch.
Why you running? Fight. Grandpa ain't gonna tolerate this.
He's dead.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Whatever blood you just got, come for your grandpa with it. Anna's still down in the basement.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna move one of my traps to back garden. Since they picked the lock.
I would just leave it. I'll camp back garden.
I could also hang out back there.
Nah, I'm about to have grandpa level 5. You can go down in the basement, help chase.
Gotta be around here someplace.
Once he gets hungry again, he'll be level 5.
We'll get this sorted out, Grandpa. Don't you worry.
She's still in the basement.
Taylor, what up, girl? Oh, sorry, bro.
Oh, nah, that one fucking is, huh? No, that fucking.
Yeah, I think this is the best cook build.
Yeah, it's not bad. You got the hearing.
Yeah,
You
but
got the
doing all three
block.
is doing all three sucks.
Oh yeah, 100%.
You know what I mean? Like I gotta hear, grab blood and feed grandpa. There has to be some type of system going on. But I probably got another game or two of family, and then I'm going to play victim. I played cook all yesterday.